Hey friends, welcome to the channel. My name is Scott A. Smith. Here we talk about photography. I share some adventures that I go on and some other random information that you may or may not enjoy. But I've been wanting to do this series for a while. What better way to kick it off than the new year, 2026. And saying that, I hope each and every one of you had a good Christmas and a great New Year. So let's get into it. Let me start with sharing a brief history about my photography journey. Started in high school, my senior year, 95, 96. I continued into college, ended up getting an associate's degree in photography and digital imaging in 2001. Back then we were still shooting film cameras. We were actually scanning our negatives and then, playing with them in Photoshop, manipulating them in Photoshop. So that's kind of what photography was like back in the early 2000s. In 2002, I purchased my first DSLR. Purchased the Canon D60, 6.1 megapixel. Man, look at that screen. So tiny. This is definitely ancient compared to today's mirrorless digital cameras. But yeah, I kind of want to do this series, revisiting the cameras that I used in the past, and just take a trip down memory lane, share with you my thoughts after using these cameras and seeing if one might be right for you. These older digital cameras can be had for little money compared to what the newer ones cost. So yeah, without further ado, let's go ahead and get on into it. Pretty early on a Saturday morning, so there's not a lot of people out, but the plan is to come back here this afternoon. There should be a lot more people out, but I'm gonna make the most of it while I'm here, get some photos for you guys to check out. Just some random thoughts as I'm walking around. This screen is tiny. As I've gotten older, it's pretty difficult for me to see the screen, but I mean, I don't use them that much once I get my settings dialed in, but it's definitely taking a trip down memory lane using this camera. You'd expect that the dynamic range isn't going to be that great, but I've never really cared about dynamic range too much. I know there was a while where a lot of people on YouTube were talking about dynamic range this, dynamic range that, but once I lock in my exposure, I just go. I don't worry about anything else. Oh yeah, so I'm using the Canon 24-105 f4, but I'm gonna go ahead and call it a day for right now. Not a lot of activity out here. I'll be back this afternoon and capture more footage and hopefully get some portraits of people. back, and as you can see, there's a lot more people out now. So I'm gonna continue on this video. I did change out the lens to a Canon 100mm f2.8 macro to do some portraits. So yeah, let's get back into it. Alright, so a little bit about the Canon D60. I think I already stated it was a 6.1 megapixel camera. Before the D60 was the D30. After the D60, they switched it up to put the D after the number. And Canon came out with it was the 20D. So yeah, that's kind of a little bit about the lineup on the early Canons. I'm about to wrap this session up, I think, and then I'm actually headed to Austin in a couple days, and I think I'm going to continue this in Austin. All right, so I know in the last clip I said that I was going to go to Austin, get some photos there, but I'm going to be going to Austin for business, for my full-time job, and I just don't think I'll be done in time while it's still light out. So I started thinking about this shot kind of close to where I live that I've been wanting to get, so I just got it. So with that being said, guys, I think this is going to wrap up the project for the Canon D60. Yeah, this thing brought back some memories. Apologize for me being out of breath. Just climbed up a hill. But yeah, this camera, there's some of the features right there. Top down view. Camera, what it looks like on the back. 6.1 megapixel. I think it's a capable camera, even at 6.1 megapixels. We'll see. I'm gonna make a print, and I'm gonna see how big of a print I can make and show it to you guys. So that's kind of where we're at. We'll be on to the next camera. So, all right, guys, you'll have a good one.